Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Dragon Cannoli in Brainrot. Step 1. Approach the Eastern Cavern and scout spawn points calmly. Use a map marker to note each Cannoli respawn alcove as you clear enemies. Maintain stealth where possible to avoid triggering patrols that reset spawns. Save often between clearings and use quick travel when available to cycle respawns efficiently and preserve resources for the final run. You will need a few reliable items before attempting the Cannoli run in Brainrot. Make sure your Dragon Key is ready and carry a stack of 10 healing items for quick recovery. Equip a grapnel or climbing hooks to access elevated spawn niches that often hold rare Cannoli. Also pack a supply of fireproof potions so you can take calculated risks near magma flows and return to safety with minimal downtime. Tactical timing makes Cannoli farming much more efficient in Brainrot. Watch patrol patterns and slip through shadows when sentries turn away, reducing reset chances. Clear only necessary foes to maintain active spawn cycles for the Cannoli, and rotate among 3 fixed spawn points to improve your odds. Use quick saves after successful clears, and plan a fuel or potion resupply so you can chain multiple runs without returning to a distant hub.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.